What if China has just revealed the future of tank warfare, and the world wasn't supposed to notice yet? In late May 2026, open-source intelligence images began circulating online showing a mysterious Chinese armored vehicle unlike anything previously seen in the People's Liberation Army inventory. At first glance, it looked like another tank prototype, but military analysts quickly spotted something unusual. This vehicle has 7 road wheels on each side. That might sound like a small detail, but in armored warfare, it can reveal a lot about a vehicle's size, weight, and purpose. And according to many defense observers, this could be China's first true 4th-generation main battle tank. If that's the case, then this isn't just another upgrade to the famous Type 99 tank family. It could represent a complete redesign of how China plans to fight future wars. For years, tanks were judged mainly by 3 things: armor, firepower, and mobility. But modern battlefields are changing rapidly. The Russia-Ukraine war demonstrated that drones, electronic warfare systems, and precision-guided weapons can threaten even the most heavily armored vehicles. As a result, military planners around the world are rethinking the role of tanks. And China appears to be taking that lesson very seriously. The newly spotted prototype seems to feature a much longer chassis than existing Chinese tanks. The 7-wheel configuration suggests greater weight capacity, allowing engineers to install thicker protection, larger weapons, and significantly more onboard technology. But perhaps the most important factor is electrical power. Modern tanks are no longer just armored gun platforms. They are becoming mobile battlefield command centers packed with sensors, communication systems, electronic warfare equipment, active protection systems, artificial intelligence tools, and even drone integration capabilities. All of those systems require enormous amounts of energy. That is why many analysts believe China may be developing a hybrid electric propulsion system for its next-generation tank. Such a system could provide more power for advanced electronics, while also reducing heat and noise signatures, making the vehicle harder to detect. Interestingly, many of these technologies were already hinted at by China's Type 100 medium tank, which was publicly showcased during the Victory Day parade in Beijing in September 2025. Unlike traditional main battle tanks, the Type 100 focused heavily on mobility, digital connectivity, sensor fusion, and information-based warfare. Reports suggested that it incorporated hybrid electric propulsion, advanced battlefield networking, drone integration, and possibly even an unmanned turret design. Rather than serving as a replacement for heavier tanks, the Type 100 may have been a technology demonstrator, a platform designed to test innovations that are now being adapted for a larger and more powerful vehicle. And that brings us back to the mysterious 7-wheel prototype.
Some online discussions have referred to it as the Type 99C. However, there is currently no credible evidence that such a designation officially exists. In fact, many defense experts believe this tank belongs to an entirely separate development program. China's Type 99 family has evolved gradually over the years, progressing through several upgraded variants while maintaining a broadly similar design philosophy. This new prototype appears different. Its larger dimensions, altered chassis configuration, and likely incorporation of next-generation technologies suggest that it may be intended to eventually complement or even replace the Type 99 series altogether. If true, China could be pursuing a 4th-generation tank concept built specifically for an era dominated by drones, AI-assisted decision-making, electronic warfare, and network-centric combat. The lessons from Ukraine seem impossible to ignore. Modern drones can locate, track, and attack armored formations with unprecedented efficiency. Battlefield transparency is increasing, making it harder for tanks to hide. Traditional armor alone is no longer enough. Survival increasingly depends on detection, networking, automation, and active defense. A next-generation Chinese tank equipped with advanced sensors, AI-powered threat analysis, active protection systems, and integrated drone support could operate as part of a much larger combat ecosystem, rather than as an isolated vehicle. Instead of fighting alone, it would constantly exchange data with other tanks, drones, command centers, and battlefield networks in real time.
That could dramatically shorten reaction times and improve battlefield awareness. Some analysts even speculate that the new platform may feature a larger main gun than the 125mm weapon currently used on the Type 99 family, although no official confirmation exists. What is becoming clear, however, is that the design priorities seem to extend far beyond firepower alone. The goal appears to be creating a highly connected combat platform capable of operating effectively in the complex and data-driven battlefields of the future. This development may also reveal China's long-term vision for its armored forces. Rather than relying on a single tank type, Beijing could be moving toward a dual-platform strategy. In this model, lighter tanks such as the Type 100 would provide rapid deployment, expeditionary capabilities, and operational flexibility. Meanwhile, a heavier 4th-generation main battle tank would serve as the primary breakthrough force during high-intensity conflicts against heavily armed opponents.
Together, these platforms would form an integrated armored force capable of adapting to a wide range of combat scenarios. For now, many questions remain unanswered. China has not officially acknowledged the prototype, and its true capabilities remain unknown. But one thing is certain. The appearance of this mysterious seven-wheel tank has captured the attention of military analysts across the world. Whether it becomes China's first fourth-generation main battle tank or simply an advanced experimental platform, it offers a fascinating glimpse into one of the world's most powerful militaries is preparing for the future of warfare. And if the speculation proves correct, the era of the Type 99 may be approaching its final chapter. The next generation of Chinese armored warfare may have already begun.